So guys, I think they are starting the fireworks now because it's starting to get night and I think they are starting. Alright guys, they are gonna start at night and right now it's 7. 2 more hours until they start them. So I will record again when it's 9 p.m. Alright guys, so I just saw one and it was right there. Do you guys see that? It was right there. Alright guys, I'll leave it recording a time lapse. Alright guys, so there were the fireworks just right there, but I don't know how they launched the fireworks. Wait, let's check the time. It's 8:11. They haven't even started yet.
They have, because
They're practicing.
they're getting.
Yeah, they're getting ready to do it because it's 8 to 11 and then like a lot of minutes it's gonna be 9. Like, yeah. All right, bye guys. I'll continue the time lapse. Oh guys, that was so exciting moment, right? Guys, they're doing it again. They're doing. Yo, what's happening, bro? What's happening, bro?
Es que lo está echando el hijo de Ángela.
Yo, look. Oh, guys, it's so loud. I'm so scared, right? Guys, did you hear that? Did you hear that, guys?
Don't go over there.
I'm not going over there. I'm just recording. Here. Stay back.
Yeah. Let's take a little peek.
Yeah.
I hope nothing happened to Elizabeth and Giselle.
Yeah, me too. I hope nothing happened to them. I hope nothing happened to them. Nothing bad. I hope nobody robbed them. I hope that didn't.
No fireworks went on them and they could get hurt.
Yeah.
Okay,
They could even catch themselves on fire. Yeah, it's so dangerous.
Fireworks are really dangerous when you're close to them.
Yeah, they're very dangerous.
Put my face in it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna get your face in it. Ooh, the bathroom. I got my tripod. Very good tripod. Jelly cat right here. And my big box and blueberry. Oh shoot. Did you hear that? I know. They're so scared.
You can go on the first one.
Dude, this is so scary,
They're
right?
making a sign with their phone.
Yeah. They're making a sign with their phone. Wait, I'm gonna do it up and then I'm gonna zoom in. Alright, I'm zoomed in. Dude, that's so scary, right?
Are you still excited for the fireworks?
Yeah, let's just wait for the... Wait, what time is it? It's 8:25.
Oh no. What if when it's night it's gonna be even worse?
Yeah, when it's night, it's gonna be even worse.
That's gonna be so fun.
Yeah.
Abuelita, hasta me duelen los oídos porque
That's not funny.
I know you were laughing, and I told you that was not funny.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna stay on the step so we don't miss anything. Here, I'm gonna get high up so people could see. Here, you wanna record?
Sure.
Okay. Alright, give me the camera back. Shall we stay under the bed for some safety? Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Come on, let's stay under the bed for safety.
Yeah, we need to be safe.
Yeah, we need to be safe. Mama, raise the safe beams. Okay, we're safe in here. We're safe in here. We're safe. Yeah, we're safe in here.
I'm going outside.
Okay, go outside, but you're the one risking it, okay? I'm not the one risking it.
No, we're okay. Just don't get too close to the fireworks.
Yeah. I'll get outside as well. I'm getting a hard time out of here. Guys, they just started. I'm gonna check the time. It's 8:30. Wait, I gotta go tell her. It's 8:30. 20 more minutes until it's 8:50. But when they started, it's gonna be even worse. Oh shoot. Guys, we're gonna go on the step to watch it.
You know what happened to my coat?
Here, you wanna record?
Oh, look.
Oh yeah. You wanna record?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
But
Alright. Oh. Oh, wow. Wait, what? Guys, let me know in the comments what they are doing because I have no idea. Guys, I have no idea what they are doing. Ooh, I hope nobody gets hurt. Come on, what was she eating? I want them. I want those. They were chipsy. Guys, I'm gonna go back. And then, ooh. Oh shoot, I crashed. Guys, I'm gonna go see what time it is right now. It's 3:34. Wait, I need to go tell it this. Yo! Boys, it's only a few more minutes, boys. Boys, you excited? Boys, you excited? You excited, guys? You excited? Because I'm excited. Don't get too excited because then you're gonna probably hit yourself. Here, just go. Guys, I'm gonna go under bed for some safety. So I'm gonna go under bed. Don't know about. I just heard one. And I barely hadn't been in it. Wait. Oh my gosh, I turned on the flash on accident. I turned it. Guys, that was so loud. Oh. Yo, guys. Guys. Yo, look at you. Come on, let's go under bed for some safety. Guys, there's so much. There's so much, guys. There's so much. Alright, guys, so now they are almost launching. Wait, I'm gonna go check the time. Guys. Yo. Wait. Oh, I'm trying to make a video.
And I'm trying to see the fireworks.
Oh.
We should go to the park. We should do this like we did it at Christmas one time. We just drive around in the truck.
Oh, it stopped. Alright, guys, so it's now almost to the launch. Guys, look. They're doing it now. And it was right above us. Yo, guys. Do you guys see that smoke? It was smoking up with the camera. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. Wait, what? I don't know where.
Yeah.
Oh shoot. Oh, look at that, guys. Wait, what? Oh, it's right there. Gotta look where they are. Guys, they are there. Guys, it's amazing. Guys, it's amazing. Bye, guys. Right, so guys, this is the last clip for this video. So if you guys like it, make sure to subscribe. Wait, guys. Dude. Oh, that looks so cool. Wow. Wait for it, guys. Wait for it. And wait for it. And oh shoot! Did you guys see that? Guys, all you gotta do is wait for it. The last one that is going to happen is the end of the video. Okay, guys. Wonder how it's gonna do. Wonder how the video. I just saw him, but I couldn't record it. It went too fast. I don't know if nothing's gonna happen. Alright, so there was one right there, but I couldn't because a person was walking by. So yeah. Alright. Oh, bye guys. Oh shoot. Guys, did you see that? Guys, it's so much. Guys. Oh my god. Guys. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's so Hey. Guys, happy 4th of July. Bye, strikes again.